New problem. I'm taking a video, honey. New problem.
Taking a picture of the car?
Okay, so we've got the engine running, and it's pretty close to operating temperature, but it does this at any temperature, really. And according to my brother, who's been driving this car recently, it just started happening Friday, yesterday, something like that. So here's what happens. When you press the throttle, it just falls on its face. And it doesn't matter if it's in gear, under load, or in neutral park at idle, like this. It just stops. That cough at about a quarter. And I also tried this while having the throttle position sensor unhooked, just like that. Just did it, and it doesn't change. It doesn't change. Is it the throttle position sensor? I think it might be. It actually seems to be doing a little bit better with the TPS unplugged.